Oh boy! Math riddles that will stump even your smartest friends. You know, math puzzles continue to become more and more popular. They seem very easy at first, but many people end up getting them all wrong. Do you want to test your logic skills? Number 1. Let's start easy. Take a look at your telephone's number pad and answer this. What number would you get if you multiply all of its numbers? You have some time to count. Here's the answer. You didn't forget about 0, right? Whatever is multiplied by 0 will give you 0. This golden rule of math always works. Number 2. Find a correct answer to this math equation. 3 plus 3 times 3 minus 3 plus 3. And time is over. If your answer is 12, you're absolutely right. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 minus 3 plus 3 is still 12. Let's see how you pass our next question. Number 3. What is half of 2 plus 2? Time is ticking. It's not 2, but 3. Half of 2 is 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. Nice and easy. Yeah. Number 4. Just a simple math question for you. What is 40 divided by 1/2 plus 15? Dividing by 1/2 is basically multiplying by 2, remember? No, I really don't. Anyway, so 40 times 2 equals 80. 80 plus 15 is 95. Props to you if you didn't get distracted. Number 5. What is 50% divided by 2? You have 15 seconds to prepare your answer. It's actually just 1. You have to think outside of the box for this one. 50% is 1/2, right? 1/2 divided by 1/2 will give you 1. Did you get it? Well, pull yourself together, the next question is coming. Number 6. How can you make 1,000 by using 8 exactly 8 times? Keep in mind that you can only use addition in your equation. Try to come up with the answer in 15 seconds. The right equation is 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 1,000. Do you have a different but still correct answer? Share it in the comments below. Number 7. Can you take 1 from 19 and leave 20? You have 15 seconds to figure out a way. You can easily do it with Roman numerals. 20 is XX, while 19 is XIX. Taking one, I, from XIX will leave a perfect XX. I guess this one is X-rated. Number 8. Here's your next task. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1 equals… Can you solve this? You have 15 seconds. No, the right answer is not 1, and it's not 12 either. It's actually 2. The first two lines aren't part of the equation, so 1 plus 0 plus 1 gives us 2 as a result. You know, I had a math teacher like this. Vicious woman, vicious woman. Number 9. So pay attention. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Well, can you figure out the last number in this sequence? And the answer is… well, we didn't actually find an answer to this last riddle. Do you have any ideas? Tell us in the comment section below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay on the bright side. Until next time!